Hello everyone, I'm Indrajit. So today we are going to start HTML. We are going to start listing and many other tags also. But before going to start our work, you have to do a small setting in your window. Settings that is very important. I show you what is the setting. Are you watching? Some people are not able to understand what is the extension and what is the file name. It happens when you are not able to understand. You are not able to see the extension of the file clearly. Like I have a picture and is its extension is .jpg. This one is .html. So I have removed the option, sorry, I have unticked the option. That is why I can see the extension of the file. So here you have to do right click anywhere, and click on option. You can click in a menu also, but you won't get. You have to click here or not here, quick access, in a Windows 7 also, and go to the option. Then click on view, and in a view option click this one. If I tick here, hide extension for known file type and apply. Look, all extensions are now invisible. I cannot see the extension of the file. Means suppose अब now picture name can be .jpg, .bmp, .png, anything. I don't know the name. I don't know the extension of the file. But when you remove this tick and then apply, you will see the extension of the file. So please इसको ऐसे ही रहने दीजिए, untick कर दीजिए इसको. It is very important, and click on OK. It should be untick. If that tick is untick, you are able to see the extension of the file. Now second thing, now I'm going to start coding. So two things are here. Suppose I want to open it for the adding coding, so I will open it in Notepad like this. Here I can do the coding. It is according to my need. I can remove all those things. See, I have only one line. My second page. I'm making my second page. Just save it. I'm pressing Ctrl S continuously. You can save it from here. Close it. How will you run? Right click, open with Chrome. See, I did nothing, so I changed the background only, so you can see the page. So now what you have to do, we will do first now order listing and non-order listing in a same page. So I will open it in a notepad. Now I hope you must have understand why you don't have to tick over there. If you tick over there, so you will not be able to see the extension of the file, and that will create a big problem. So here just click order list. I'm going to do first OL. Now type li. There is no need to close li. I will take only 3 li. Here I will close this tag OL. Done. If you want, you can write like this also, but this will not affect the design. Now I can write Ram, Sita and Geeta. Okay, now run. Save it and see what you will get. Now run this file, open with Chrome. See, I have the list. See, Ram, Sita and Geeta. So it's a numbered, and I will do some changes to make you understand. Type type. Type. If I write 1, see, by default numbering is number. Nothing will change. But if I change here, type A, capital A, save it, see the changes. This. Okay. So yes, recording is going on. So ABC. If I do the changes, small a, save your file, press F5. Look, small ABC. Again, I change I, small I, and save and press F5. Small numbers में आ रहा है Roman numeral. If I type capital I, see, save, what you get? This. Okay. Some people must be confusing. If I write D, what I will get? So you will get alphabet order, because by default it is not taking anything. So you have to type, the by default is number. So D will not work. You have to type A, small I, capital I, and small a 1, but just only. So I just want in A. I take number 1. Okay, save it. By default, you will get same result. So again, I want to add new thing. The start attribute. The start attribute tells you from where you want to start your table. I want to start my table from 10. Just write down 10. It will tell you the starting number. Press F5. Look, 10, 11, 12. 12 will include here. So I want to start my list from 11. So whatever you are giving the starting number, that table, your table will start from there only. 11, 12, 13. So I hope you must have understand. If we are write A, then what will happen? Here I type D. Sorry, 4. Look, this is very interesting. Just try to understand. I'm just writing alphabetical order, and start is it is starting from 4. You know, fourth alphabet. Which one is the fourth alphabet? That is D. So see, this is starting from D. So type start means it is telling you your if you are using in alphabetical order, it will start from 4. If you using number, then it will start 4 also. Suppose what will happen if I use I? Look, this is also interesting. This will start from 4, 5, 6. So here starting means you can give number. But suppose I write A, okay, and I want to write D. What will happen? Starting, I'm not giving number now. I'm giving alphabet. Look, nothing will happen. This means in a start attribute, you have to write only numbers. What is the position? Z, 4. So everywhere you have to write number. Means what will be the starting point, and it should be in number. So okay, done. Now I will copy the code. Control C. I will use break line statement. Break line statement will break the line. 2 lines it will leave. Now I'm going to write everything in a bold letters, not H1. I will write everything in H1. Okay, I'm going to close. I want this table big. H1. I will close. Yes. Now I will do coding. I will do the same coding, but I will use unordered list. U. Here there is no need to start because unordered list में starting point नहीं होता है. So here you have to write by default by just. First we will see that what is the by default is coming. So I will not write anything. Just save. I have saved. Just I will refresh. Look, Ram Sita Gita. So here it is coming in the disk. If I write type equal disk, what will come? Refresh your page, F5, nothing, same. If I write circle, so what you will get? See, press F5, you are getting dot, but that is unfilled. Here again, if I write square, what you will get? Look, square boxes, filled square. So you have 3 options. Here you cannot use start because unordered listing there is no need a starting point. So in order listing we use where a starting point is important. So this is the coding for only on order list and order list. So now I'm just